Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your ProBit account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your ProBit account. Visit the ProBit website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access security settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for 2FA. ProBit typically offers options like Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 4. Set up 2FA. If you choose Google Authenticator, download the app on your mobile device. Scan the QR code provided by ProBit or enter the code manually. For SMS, enter your phone number and verify it through the code sent to you. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, confirm the changes and save your settings. Make sure to test the 2FA to ensure it works properly before logging out. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your ProBit account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.